Buju ginawa bidasge kwe indigu nano gishgad nungum. Indayanan oshke Ikidowinan nungum. Aha, mada no kida. Oh, and again, these are phrases that you can use for everyday expressions that you can use with your family at home as you deem necessary. Aha. Ingo Ikidowin. Gego baba main dun gain. Gego baba main dun gain. Gego baba main dun gain. Weweni adan. Gego baba main dun gain. Ginatam. Onishashin. Idan. Gego baba main dun gain. Ginatam. Onishashin. Baba beginda. Gego baba main dun gain. Ginatam. Aha, onishashin. Mijo Ikidowin. On Guamas sana. On Guamas sana. On Guamas sana. Weweni adan. On Guamas sana. Ginatam. Nijashin. Idan. On Guamas sana. Ginatam. Aha. Bababi ginda. On Guamas sana. Ginatam. Onijashin. Niso Ikidowin. Gay get to go. Gay get to go. Gay get to go. Weweni adan. Gay get go. Ginatam. Onijashin. Idan. Gay get to go. Ginatam. Onijashin. Bababi ginda. Gay get to go. Ginatam. Onijashin. Neo Ikidowin. Ew. Me none gay ew. Me none gay ew. Me none gay ew. Weweni adan. Me none gay ew. Ginatam. Aha, nijashin. Idan. Me none gay ew. Ginatam. Nijashin. Bababi ginda. Me none gay ew. Ginatam. Onijashin. Giminotagos. Again, these phrases you can use at home with your family. Maybe you can carry them around with you if you make the pictures and if you copy them. Ojibwemowin. Iwidi and Dayan. Ojibwemowin and Dayan. Aha, misa nungum. Kekawababin waiba.